So, I kinda feel like my drawings suck. But fear not, art tutorials on YouTube Shorts are here to save me. Basically, we're leveling up my art skills. First, I'll draw something on my own, and then I'll follow some tutorials and redraw to see if I drew it better or worse. Without any further yapping, let's go. Okay, so this is something I made in 45 minutes. Let's watch some tutorials and see if I can redraw this better. The first tutorial is how to render skin. Alright, next is how to draw eyes. Okay, next is how to draw a nose.
Wanna learn how to draw noses? Let's make some room for the nose. First draw a cross, then a circle, then just draw two C's for the nostrils. Remove the guidelines, Smegsy Voldemort. Then you're gonna draw this inverted S. Another one, then fill it with color, then pick a darker color and define the shadow like this. Don't forget the juicy highlight. Alright, now let's draw female noses. Smegsy.
Lastly, how to draw hair.
I learned how to draw hair from a Chinese artist. First, draw a lock of hair. Apply base color and add gradient. Shade in a U shape and blend the edges. Add some strokes along the shading for details. Add some hair strands. Don't forget to shade them so they look natural. Now, how do you draw it on a character? Oh yeah.
Okay, I think I'm ready to draw after watching these lovely tutorials. Cue the music. Okay, so why does it look better? Moving on. Now that I'm successfully better at drawing faces, let's learn to draw some hands.
Are you scared of drawing hands? Well, I'm here to help. So the first thing I like to focus on is the shape of the palm of the hand. Remember that this changes depending on the viewing angle. The second thing is the angle of the fingers. Look at them in relation to one another. Find the angle of the thumb and its relationship to the rest of your hand. I like to begin my drawings by laying down the shape of the palm. The overall shape of the fingers come next, and then I start isolating the shapes for each individual finger. Always work from the big shapes down to the smaller details. You can see I do a lot of construction lines between knuckles and joints. This is just to get a sense of the relationship between these different elements. Always remember that practice is key. Your first hand drawings will look like AI art, but trust the process, do your studies, and they'll get better with time. Hope this helped you guys out. Follow me for more art tips.
Alright. Alright, that's it for this video. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe for more life-changing content. All the links for the tutorials in the video are given below, with credit to the rightful owner. I'll see you guys next time. Until then, watch this video.